Well, I'm here for another Scally Cap review. I just got a box in today from Swisher. Todd from Swisher sent me a really nice hat. This is the Red Rum. This is the Red Rum. It's a 6-panel cap made out of a red and black herringbone. I'm assuming the cap was named after The Shining, as in Red Rum, Red Rum. I love that movie. The book was very good too. If you enjoyed The Shining movie, both the one with Jack Nicholson and the repeat, I highly recommend you check out Dr. Sleep, which is a continuation in the story. It's a pretty cool movie itself. But anyways, this is the Red Rum. Wow, I like the look of that. It's a 6-panel cap. Looking at it though, it fits a little different than most 6-panel caps. I got the badge here trying to get some attention. But yeah, it fits a little different than some other 6-panel caps. It's got kind of a nice drape in the front. I like those creases there. Again, a really nice looking cap. I like this. What do you think, Badge? Huh? What do you think of the Red Rum? Huh? She says, I like it. But yeah, this is the Red Rum. I'm really partial to red caps, and so this one will go in my regular rotation. I sometimes like to wear these ones backwards too. Oh yeah, that one looks good like this too. Let's go outside and get a shot of this one in some better light. Wow, I like this one a lot more than I thought I would. I saw Moose do a review on it, and from Reviews of Moose, and I liked his review of it. I like it even better in person. Let's get that better shot of it outside.
Join us at Off the Brim, 7:30 p.m. Central, 8:30 p.m. Eastern.
I just want to add here, I've said this in a couple other videos, if you're somebody that buys Boston Scally caps and you like Boston Scally caps, I highly recommend you check out some of these smaller Scally cap companies. Again, they make some really nice quality stuff. A lot of them, like this particular hat here, are a step up from what you would get from Boston Scally quality-wise. And you're helping a small business stay in business, and you tend to get better customer service from these smaller businesses too. You know, when you're contacting them, it's not some person that isn't really passionate about what they're doing. It's not some employee. It's typically the owner that you're speaking with. And again, you're helping a small business stay in business. I like to support small businesses. So this is the Red Rum from Swisher. Again, it's a 6-panel cap. I really like the look of this one. Again, a great looking cap. It's a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. It's got a different fit again than some of the other 6-panel caps. It seems to have a little more material up in the front, and I like the way the drape is on it because of that. It's a really nice crimson red too. I'm again partial to red caps. So there you go. There's a good look at the Red Rum from Swisher. And he gets a thumbs up from me. It's a nice cap. See ya.
Join us at Off the Brim, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.